Hello, this is Elizabeth Estel, Homeschool Christian Mom. Welcome back and thank you for joining me for this 6th grade review of Math 4th edition from BJUPress Homeschool. The short version is I like this curriculum very much. They've done an excellent job of providing the explanations and even the words you can use to talk about each of the subjects that they cover. I especially like the way they have covered fractions in this book. Starting at lesson 69, the teacher's book goes through how to talk about fractions, what a fraction is, and how to even deal with students who are reluctant math students. Now, if you're a math person, you'll find this curriculum very easy because it gradually goes up and goes through the concepts. If you're not a math person, you will learn a lot right along with your students because the explanations are so good. It actually tells you how to talk about each of these fraction and math concepts and even the words to say. And what if you do have a reluctant math student? Math is not just a subject and it doesn't have any biblical foundation to it. This curriculum goes through how God can help you do a hard task, why math is hard for some students because of the fall with Adam and Eve, and what God promises for diligent work. He promises a reward and he promises to help us. So you might think, well, it doesn't matter if I have a biblical curriculum for math, but it really does matter because God has revealed himself in all kinds of ways. Starting at lesson 69, they go through math concepts like numerators, how to greatest common factors, how to get the fractions where you want them for division and multiplication, and how to explain the concept of a fraction. So you have a whole unit, you're dividing into equal parts, and how many of those parts are you talking about? The curriculum also comes with the assessment and the answer key and 2 teacher books. Each of the teacher books also has a reproduction of the student page for every single lesson, which is very helpful. Now, if you say, well, I'll just get the student book, I won't get the teacher's edition, you will be missing over half of the material. They have done an excellent job providing multiple ways to explain these concepts. Now, if your student gets it the first time, great. If they don't get it this first time, they have a secondary explanation. If they don't get it the second time, they have another explanation so that you can work through these things with your student for success. So they are trying to get your student to enjoy the learning, understand the learning, and they're setting your student up for success in the higher maths, the pre-algebra and the algebra later. I'm very happy with this curriculum and I think you will be too. So if you could use the link in my bio, go to BJUPress Homeschool and look at the math curriculum. They have some sample pages there. I think you will also be happy with this math curriculum. Thank you for joining me. Like and follow for more homeschool tips.